Attention college students, are you tired of scraping by on a limited student budget? Do you dream of finding quick and easy ways to make some extra cash? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to reveal some amazing strategies and opportunities for college students to make money fast. Whether you're looking to pay off your student loans, fund your next adventure, or simply treat yourself to some well-deserved luxuries, we've got you covered. Get ready to discover the secrets that can turn your spare time into a profitable venture. It's time to unlock the door to financial freedom. Let's dive in. In today's digital age, freelancing and online gigs have become one of the best ways for college students to make quick money. With just a computer and an internet connection, you can tap into a vast array of opportunities. Whether you have a talent for graphic design, writing, coding, social media management, or video editing, there are numerous platforms where you can showcase your skills and find clients. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a platform for freelancers to connect with potential clients and offer their services. Not only does freelancing allow you to work on your own terms, but it also provides you with the flexibility to juggle your studies while earning extra income. So if you have a marketable skill, don't hesitate to explore the world of freelancing and online gigs. It may just be the key to financial success during your college years. One of the most accessible and convenient ways for college students to make quick money is by exploring the various campus jobs and part-time work opportunities available. Many universities and colleges offer a wide range of positions specifically tailored to suit the needs and schedules of students. Whether it's working at the library, administrative offices, fitness center, or even as a campus tour guide, these jobs often provide flexible hours and are conveniently located right on campus. Not only do they offer a chance to earn some extra cash, but they also provide valuable work experience and the opportunity to network with faculty and staff. So, if you're looking to make some extra money, don't overlook the numerous part-time job options available within your own college community. One effective way for college students to make quick money is by selling items online. We all accumulate belongings over time that we no longer need or use, and these items can turn into cash. You can also start thrifting, which is a popular option, as you can scour thrift stores and flea markets for unique pieces that have value to others. Online marketplaces like eBay, Depop, and Facebook Marketplace offer a convenient platform to sell a wide range of items, from clothing and accessories to electronics and furniture. By selling items online, you not only make some extra money, but you can also cash out on items you no longer use. Another profitable way for college students to make quick money is by renting out their space through platforms like Airbnb or by subletting. If you have a spare room or an entire apartment that you're willing to share, this can be an excellent opportunity to earn some extra cash. Many students who live off campus or have apartments during their college years find that they can offset their rent or even make a profit by renting out their space when they're away for holidays or vacations. With Airbnb, you can easily list your space, set your own availability, and determine the price. Subletting, on the other hand, allows you to find someone to take over your lease temporarily, which can be especially beneficial if you're studying abroad or interning elsewhere. One unique way for college students to make quick money is by participating in research studies. Universities and research institutions are often in need of participants for various studies, including psychological experiments, medical trials, and market research. Not only can you earn money by taking part in these studies, but you also contribute to valuable research that can potentially benefit society. Research studies typically compensate participants for their time and effort, and the compensation can vary depending on the nature and duration of the study. It's a great opportunity to not only make some extra cash, but also gain insights into the fascinating world of research and contribute to the advancement of knowledge. So keep an eye out for research study advertisements on campus bulletin boards or online platforms, and seize the chance to earn quick money while making a meaningful impact. As a college student, you have access to a treasure trove of exclusive deals and discounts tailored just for you. From technology and software to clothing and entertainment, many businesses offer special pricing for students. Take advantage of these discounts by signing up with your university email or presenting your student ID when making purchases. Also, keep an eye out for referral programs that reward you for recommending products or services to your friends and classmates. By leveraging these student-centric perks, you can not only save money, but also earn rewards and bonuses that can add up quickly. So don't miss out on the opportunity to stretch your dollar further and make some extra cash through student discounts and referral programs. When it comes to making quick money as a college student, exploring micro-investment and passive income options can be a game changer. While traditional investment avenues may require substantial capital, micro-investing allows you to start with small amounts of money, making it accessible for students with limited funds. Platforms like Acorns and Robinhood offer user-friendly interfaces that enable you to invest spare change or small increments into diversified portfolios. By embracing the power of compounding, these investments can grow over time, providing a potential source of passive income. When it comes to making quick money as a college student, taking action and maximizing your earnings is crucial. The strategies and opportunities we've discussed in this video are just the beginning. It's important to explore additional avenues that align with your skills, interests, and availability. Stay proactive and seek out new opportunities, whether it's through networking, attending job fairs, or utilizing online resources. Remember, making quick money requires dedication and persistence. So don't be afraid to try new things and embrace the entrepreneurial spirit within you. With the right mindset and a bit of hustle, you can unlock a world of financial possibilities during your college years. So go out there, seize the opportunities, and make your mark on the path to financial success. Thank you all for tuning in to today's video on how college students can make quick money. We hope you found the information shared here valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content tailored for college students.